Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Students, how are you all? I hope all of you will be fine and enjoying good health. And I hope that you are praying 5 times a day and pray to Allah Almighty so that He may help us in this time of distress. I am your teacher, Humble Mohammad, and this is mathematics class for pre ninth, and this is lecture number 2. Let's start. Before starting this topic, I would like you to revise these two formulas, which are very important. As you know, you studied these for the first time in chapter number 4, 5, and 6. In the last lecture, I told you about these that without these formulas, you can never be good at factorization and also LCM, ACF, and other skills of algebraic expressions, which are included in your syllabus. So mainly these two formulas will be used in factorization most of the time in algebra in your syllabus. So revise these formulas: a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now today's topic will be square root of algebraic expressions, and there will be two skills: square root by factorization and square root by division. Both of the skills, they are very important as far as examination for federal board examination are concerned. Both of these skills, they are included, and every year any one of them is included in your paper or exam, um, especially square root by division method. So in this video I'm going to discuss these two in detail, inshallah. Please pay attention. Now the first question, part 1 of exercise 6.3. The statement is 4x square minus 12xy plus 9y square. So the solution is, you are going to break the midterm as I have mentioned in the footer, that I have divided I have disintegrated this midterm into two parts: minus 6xy minus 6xy plus 9y square. Why? Because 9 fours are 36. Multiply 9 with 4, you get 36, and the pair will be 6 and 6. You know very well what is midterm break. In the last video, I also told about this skill as well. So minus 6y minus 6y. Now out of 4x and 6y, you will take 2x common, and inside you are left with 2x minus 3y. And from 6xy and 9y square, you will take 3y common, so it will be 3y into 2x minus 3y. Now 2x minus 3y is common, and 2x minus 3y are left inside, so 2x minus 3y whole squared, and then taking square root, you will get 2x minus plus minus 2x minus 3y as an answer. So from this question, what are you concluding? That you have to make perfect square firstly, and you can do it by using formula, the two formulas I discussed in the start of the lecture. And you can also use this skill, midterm break, in order to make a perfect square, and then at the end you can easily take square root. Square root you can take only in the case when you have a perfect square, otherwise it is not possible. In general mathematics, you also, it's very easy to solve those square roots in which perfect square is involved, like 16 squared square root will be 4, the square root of 36 will be 6, square root of 25 will be 5. So in algebra, firstly you have to convert the algebraic expression given into a perfect square, and then it is very easy to take square root. Let's go towards the next slide. The next question is question number 1, part 4 of exercise 6.3. I have taken two parts of your question number 1 of exercise 6.3, which is related to square root, so that this factorization, square root by factorization, this skill can be polished easily. The statement is x plus 1 over x whole square minus 4 times x minus 1 over x, whereas x cannot be equal to 0 because you cannot put 0 in the denominator, so it is a condition for this. Now for making this question easy, you can take an assumption: x plus 1 over x is equal to a. In this way, x plus 1 over x whole square will be equal to x minus 1 over x whole square plus 4, and in place of x minus 1 over x you can write a, and then you'll get a square plus 4. And now putting these values like a and a square plus 4, you can put these values in the given expression, which is basically the statement. You will get a square plus 4 minus 4a, and by rearranging the terms you will get a square minus 4a plus 4, and then you can easily see that by midterm break you can convert minus 4a into minus 2 and minus 2a, and at the end you'll get a minus 2 whole square as a whole square. In place of a you can write x minus 1 over x, which was your assumption at the start, and sorry, x plus 1 over x. You can write it x plus 1 over x, sorry. So uh, in this way you will get the answer x plus 1 over x minus 2 whole square, and then you can take square root, which is the answer. Okay, now coming towards square root by division method, I have taken a snapshot because it is not very easy to compose all these type of questions. There are a lot of um, tools which I used, and it takes so much time. Because of less time I took the snapshot, so I will try my best to explain these questions. The procedure is very easy in division method. First of all, like in the first question, I have taken three examples here. In the first question you can see your statement is x power 4 minus 10x cube plus 37x square minus 60x plus 36. This is your statement. This is an algebraic expression which is given to you, and you have to find the square root of this polynomial. So first of all, you'll see that is it in descending order of the degrees of x. If it is in the descending order, so then it's very easy to solve it. So you will write it in the descending order, and if it's already given in descending order, you can take it as it is. And now how can you start the square root? The square root of x power 4, the first term of the statement, the square root of that term is x square. You will write x square in the quotient and x square in the divisor place. Now x square and x square will be multiplied, you will get x power 4. Here 4 has been given wrongly. 4 will not be there because you know very well the square of x square is x power 4, not 4x power 4. Now by subtracting at each step, in division at each step there is subtraction. So by subtracting this x power 4 and x power 4, they will be cancelled, and now you are left with only minus 10x cube plus 37x square minus 60x plus 36. Now you will take two terms down, minus 10x cube plus 37x square. Now x square will be doubled and will be written on the left side. It will be written at 2x square. Now minus 10x cube and 2x square, they will be divided again, and you will get minus 5x. Minus 5x will be written in the quotient and in the divisor. In both the places it will be written. This is the main procedure. Now after this you will multiply minus 5x, which is second term in the quotient, with the whole divider, which is basically 2x square minus 5x at the second place, at the second step. Multiply minus 5x with 2x square, you get minus 10x cube, and minus 5x with minus 5x you will get 25x square. Now by subtracting you will get 12x square. Now the rest of the two terms will be taken down, 60x plus 36. Now again x square minus 5x is your quotient, you will make it double, so you will get 2x square minus 10x. Now for further procedure you will divide 12x square with 2x square, you will get 6. 6 will be written in the quotient and in the divider as well. And now 6 will be multiplied with all the three terms in the third step. 6 2s are 2x squares are 12x square, 6 10x are 60x, and 6 6 are 36. Now at the end you will get the remainder 0, and x square minus 5x plus 6, which is written in the quotient, that is your square root. So this method is called square root by division. Same is the procedure for the part number 3 and part number 4. You can see easily. If you have some type of problem, definitely it's a new topic for you. I will try my best to make another video if you have any type of problem. Otherwise, with this video and practicing these questions, inshallah you will be good at this skill. Please let me know if something is problematic. You can ask in the queries. um, Thank you so much, and take care. Allah Hafiz.